Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Washing the rice is very important. Remove the extra starch, etc. The rice that I'm using here is called Sela. Yeah. So these type of rice are obviously very extra long, and trust me, they taste wonderful as well. One of my favorite rice. Look at that. Beautiful. The number one rule for the rice is you wash it, you soak it, and then you cook it to perfection. So I've got here some water. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a good pinch of salt in there. There you go. Beautiful. In that I'm also going to add sunflower oil. Okay. A tablespoon or two. That would do. Okay. Bring this water to simmer. So as the water has started to simmer, I'm just going to break these 2 dried chilies in there. Nice and easy. And finally we're going to add our beautiful rice in there. We're gonna keep things very simple, as we got a lot of flavors going, so obviously you don't want to complicate things here. Alright, now we're gonna let the rice cook, and we just waiting for the rice to obviously absorb all the water. And when there's some water left, we're just gonna steam it. As you can see, the water is starting to dry out. In a minute we're just gonna cover it. Alright, so turn down the heat to low, and now place a clean kitchen towel on the top, just like so. Cover it with the lid. Make sure it's nicely covered. Don't want any steam to go out. We're gonna let it cook for around 10 to 12 minutes, okay? So let's check our rice. Bismillah. Slowly. Fluff it up using a fork. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's have a little taste. Perfection. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my videos. Any suggestions? Please leave them down below. Salam.